Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put an ink to this printer. It's going to be an unboxing, but I've already taken it out of the box. I got this printer on eBay. My previous printer broke, so I was looking around for a cheap alternative, and I came across a free service that HP offers. It's like a leasing kind of, it's leasing a printer, and there is no upfront cost. You just have to pay for the instant ink monthly, but it's subscription based. You're locked into your contract and you don't get to keep the printer. So I looked around and found the cheapest deal that I could get for this HP Envy 6155E on eBay. This is open box, so I wasn't nervous, but I wasn't really sure if it's in a good condition, but when I opened it, it's actually it's practically brand new. I still have the 3-month free HP instant ink, so it's literally brand new when I open it. As you can see here, the box has all the styrofoams. It has all the covers, so it is a super good deal. I got it for like just $60. They're usually around like $120, $130 on their website or on Amazon, so this is a super good deal. And it came with a 3-month subscription for the HP Instant Ink, so that saves you 3 months of having to pay for that. So let's pull up the let's look up the printer. Oh, but there's one thing that didn't went well with this. The ink that's inside it kind of dried up, so when I tried to print out some papers, they're very blurry. So I ordered the new replacement, which just came in yesterday, and we're going to be trying that out today. So as you can see here, here's some of the. So here's the features for this printer. It's prints high quality documents and photos, easy print from any device, sleek and compact design. It's also instant ink ready, which is a big plus because I print a lot, and I do have an old Canon one, but the maximum pages that I could print is 200 pages per month, and with HP you can print up to 1,500 pages, which I don't need. I usually just get 300 pages when it's like when the school starts, where I print a lot of papers, but then I just downgrade to 100 pages a month, but it's good to have that option. So as you can see here, it uses the original HP ink and refills for number 68. So it's not the same as my previous one. My previous one had like 65. It's wireless, and you can print, copy, and scan. So I'm just gonna show you really quick how this printer works. I've already played with it. So here it has a touchscreen pad. Let me see. So here is the menu. In the menu you can copy, scan. There's info, printer and connectivity. So that's your printer name, settings, there's tools, and then when you go back you have an option to copy, scan, so you can scan from an email, scan to cloud. Shortcuts, let's see, I don't know where it's connecting to. And then you have here the supplies. See if your ink is, my ink is kind of in good level right now, but I think it dried up, and it's been sitting for a while, probably in the warehouse, so it dried up, so I needed a new ink. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. What is this help button? Let me check here real quick. So there are some tutorials here, so I haven't viewed those yet. So let's just check the basic features of this thing. So you have the flatbed scanner here on the top. You have this is like the extender that holds the paper, and you have the tray here in the bottom for your paper. So it's really basic. It doesn't have a lot of extra features. It's pretty sleek. I like that it's sleek, but it's actually bigger, twice as big as my old printer, which is it's taking more space. But this is the only one that I could get. This is the smallest one that I could get. But it's still good. So let's open up the ink right now that I ordered, and let's put it in. So to put it in, you just have to open this compartment. Oops. Let me see here. Open this up. There. So we're gonna pull this out. So to pull this out, all you have to do is just pop it out like this. So you can see that's the 68 series. So we're going to be recycling that, and the black one as well. So that's the inside of the printer. As you can see, it looks fairly brand new. So since I got a new paper, HP offered me a 1 month free HP paper. So this is an ink and paper subscription. The 3-month ink subscription is free, but the paper is only for 1 month. Let's open it up. Oh God. It says here, welcome to HP Instant Paper. And if you don't want to continue with your subscription, you can easily just remove your subscription from their app. Oh, this is actually just the paper. It does not come with the ink. I think the ink will come separately. So this is just the paper. So as you can see, this is a lot of paper. So you get, for the free paper, you get 500 pieces, and there's 3 in here. So you got 1,500 papers, and that's going to last a long time. So I'm not going to take out the rest. I thought the ink came in this box as well. I'm sorry about that, but yes, I guess that would be the video for today. I'll show you how to put this back. It's pretty easy. When you receive the cartridge, just peel off the sticker that usually comes here. Don't touch this part, and just make sure you put it in the black slot like so, and wait for a click. And sorry for this one, make sure you don't touch that. Just put it in the slot, and like so, and pull this up a tiny bit, and just go down. Just assisted in going down. So it's going to check on the cartridge, and then you're ready to print. And what I like about this printer is the wireless connectivity is very good. I had some trouble connecting with my previous older printer, but this one is very good. So that will be a video for today. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.